case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2014, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of Marvin M. Brandt Revocable Trust v. United States, which focused on determining the ownership of a railroad's right-of-way after it was abandoned. The case arose from a dispute between the government and a private landowner in Fox Park, Wyoming, over whether the government or the landowner Brandt owned the right-of-way after the railroad ceased to use it. The court was tasked with determining the type of interest the railroad had in the right-of-way and whether the government had any claim to it after its abandonment. To reach a conclusion, the court examined the General Railroad Right-of-Way Act of 1875 and considered the government's argument that it had reserved a reversionary interest in the lands granted. Furthermore, the court took into account the historical context of the act and its purpose in encouraging the settlement and development of the West. The Supreme Court ultimately held that the 1875 Act granted only an easement, not a fee interest or limited fee with an implied condition of reverter. In doing so, the court rejected the government's argument and determined that the government had already given away its interest in the land. As a result, the judgment of the United States Court of Appeals for the 10th Circuit was reversed, and the case was sent back for further proceedings consistent with the Supreme Court's opinion.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.